So now we're going to look at how you define ASP.NET controls. So first of all, many standard HTML controls are duplicated as ASP.NET controls. So for instance, hyperlinks, text boxes, buttons, and so on. They're all exist. There are original HTML tags, but they're now duplicated as ASP.NET controls that have more interactivity built into them. So you can find them all in the toolbox, in just the basic standard group, and they have similar functionality similar to the HTML counterparts. Only thing they can respond to certain events, and they can be programmatically controlled. And first of all of the controls have this particular form. So ASP double colon control name with ID and run at equals server. So you need to provide for every control its ID and specify that it's run on server. That's a critical part. And they all must have matching closing tag or to be self-closing. You don't need to type them by hand. You just drag them from this toolbar, from standard toolbar. And as we mentioned before, there's those two key properties. It's ID, and that component is run at server. So without this, it will be just shown directly to the client, just as any static HTML. So it will not have any dynamic properties. You have other important properties such as enable view state, and it's true by default. It means that if you have it set to true, that the control will keep its value every single time, while if it's set to false, its value will be updated every single time. And also you can say visible equals true or false, depending do you want to show it or not.